Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to write comment on C program. Let's say I want to write here one more printf. For the output I will say hello. Okay, I will say this is comment. Now if I execute it, you can see it's showing this is comment and hello world. Okay, so let's say I don't want to show this, I want to comment out it. So what I have to do, I just have to give here a double slash. Okay, now it becomes comment. If I execute it, no problem actually. So now you can see I just have to give here space. Okay, so yeah, this is now comment. Here you can see we are showing here only hello world. Okay, now if I run it once again, you can see we are fetching only, we are showing only hello world. The output is on output. The output is only hello world. Okay, because now this output is comment out. Okay, this is the way actually you can comment out anything in C program. That's it. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.